AI Ticker, the home of technology contents.
In the not-so-distant future, our roads will look very different. Autonomous vehicles promise to revolutionize transportation, reducing accidents, cutting emissions, and transforming urban mobility. But beneath this technological marvel lies a web of complex ethical questions that we, as society, must address. Today, we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence, ethics, and the future of transportation. Welcome to the ethical challenges of AI in autonomous vehicles. The numbers are compelling. Human error contributes to approximately 94% of all traffic accidents. Every year, nearly 1.3 million people die in road crashes worldwide. Autonomous vehicles never get tired, distracted, or impaired. They can process information from multiple sensors simultaneously and react in milliseconds. The potential to save lives is unprecedented. Beyond safety, autonomous vehicles could transform our cities, reduce need for parking, more efficient traffic flow, accessibility for those who can't drive. The benefits extend far beyond convenience. The promise is clear: a safer, more efficient, and more accessible transportation future. But realizing this vision requires more than just technological innovation. Autonomous vehicles promise reduced traffic fatalities. AVs are estimated to reduce accidents by 90%, saving thousands of lives annually and eliminating human error as a leading cause of accidents. This advancement not only saves lives, but also significantly reduces healthcare costs associated with accident-related injuries. Autonomous vehicles promises enhanced traffic flow. By communicating with each other and infrastructure, AVs can optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and commute times, ultimately improving efficiency and fuel usage. This improved efficiency can also lead to a decrease in pollution, contributing to a healthier environment and reduce insurance claims related to accidents caused by traffic congestion. Autonomous vehicles promises increased accessibility. AVs offer increased accessibility for those with disabilities, seniors, and people who can't drive themselves, providing greater independence and social participation. This greater accessibility also means a wider pool of individuals can contribute to the economy, leading to increased productivity and economic growth. Ethical dilemmas arise in complex situations like a pedestrian suddenly crossing the road. Programming AVs to make split-second life or death decisions raises critical ethical questions about the value of human life and the potential consequences of AI choices. This complex ethical issue directly impacts insurance policies, as it raises questions about who is liable in the event of an accident caused by an AV's decision-making. The legal and ethical responsibilities of AVs in assisting with accidents or emergencies are still under debate, raising questions about their liability, the potential for human intervention, and the ethical obligation to help. This ethical dilemma has a direct impact on insurance coverage and liability, as it raises questions about whether AVs should be covered for actions taken in emergency situations. Transparency in AV decision-making is crucial for accountability and understanding. Researchers are working to develop transparent algorithms and black box explainability tools to clarify how AVs make decisions in complex situations. This issue of transparency is critical for insurance companies, as they need to understand the decision-making process of AVs to determine liability and assess risk in insurance claims. Case studies and real-world examples. The Uber self-driving car fatality. The tragic incident in Tempe, Arizona in 2018 involving an Uber self-driving car colliding with pedestrian highlighted the limitations of AI perception and the urgent need for robust safety measures, including human oversight and improved sensor technology. This tragic incident had a significant impact on the insurance industry, as it raised questions about liability and the need for comprehensive insurance policies for AVs. The Tesla autopilot fatalities. Several fatal accidents since 2016 involving Tesla vehicles using autopilot have raised concerns about the reliability of the technology and potential for driver over-reliance on autonomous systems. These incidents highlight the need for comprehensive user education, responsible development, and clear guidelines for autopilot usage. These accidents also led to a rise in insurance premiums for vehicles equipped with autopilot technology, as insurers assess the increased risk associated with these systems. The Waymo crash in San Francisco. In 2023, a Waymo self-driving vehicle collided with a construction vehicle in San Francisco. This incident, along with other accidents involving AVs, underscores the challenges of navigating complex and unpredictable real-world environments and the ongoing need for improvement. This accident, like others involving AVs, highlighted the need for continued research and development of AV technology to improve its reliability and safety, and led to further scrutiny of insurance coverage for AVs. The future of autonomous vehicles, balancing progress and responsibility. The AI transparency movement. There's a growing demand for transparent AI algorithms and decision-making processes within AVs. Open-source algorithms and standardized testing procedures are crucial for building user trust and ensuring accountability. This push for transparency is also essential for insurance companies, as it allows them to better assess risk and develop fair and accurate insurance policies for AVs. The human-machine interaction research. Ongoing research in human-machine interaction focuses on designing intuitive interfaces and user-friendly systems for AVs. This ensures effective communication between human drivers and the system, promoting driver engagement and maintaining driving skills. As AVs become more prevalent, insurance companies need to adapt their policies to account for the unique interactions between humans and AVs. The ethical AI revolution. Imagine the scenario. An autonomous vehicle detects an unavoidable collision. It must choose between swerving left into an elderly pedestrian or right into a child. How should it decide? This is a modern version of the classic trolley problem, but with a crucial difference. We must program these ethical decisions in advance, with code that determines whose safety takes priority. Unlike humans who make split-second instinctual decisions, autonomous vehicles must follow pre-programmed ethical frameworks. But whose ethics? And who decides? Different cultures have different ethical priorities. Should vehicles be programmed with universal ethical standards, or should they adapt to local values? And what happens when these vehicles cross borders? These ethical algorithms will become prime targets for hackers. Imagine the consequences if someone could remotely alter an autonomous vehicle's ethical decision-making parameters. These aren't just philosophical questions. They're practical challenges requiring concrete answers before widespread deployment becomes reality. Every autonomous vehicle is essentially a data center on wheels, collecting terabytes of information about roads, other vehicles, and the people inside and around it. These vehicles will know where you go, when you go there, who's with you, and potentially even what you discuss inside the vehicle. The surveillance implications are profound. The security challenge isn't just about preventing accidents. It's about protecting privacy. Every autonomous vehicle represents dozens of potential attack vectors for data theft or surveillance. The balance between operational necessity and privacy invasion represents yet another ethical frontier we must navigate. When an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident, who bears responsibility? The vehicle manufacturer? The software developer? The owner? Our legal frameworks weren't designed for artificial intelligence making life or death decisions. We need to rethink liability when algorithms, not humans, are behind the wheel. For cybersecurity professionals, this creates unique challenges. We need systems that not only protect against attacks, but also provide unalterable records of decision-making processes for accountability. The answers to these questions will shape insurance policies, legal precedents, and regulatory frameworks for decades to come. Developing ethical AI frameworks and guidelines tailored specifically for AVs is essential. These frameworks should prioritize human safety, fairness, and societal well-being, ensuring that AVs are developed and deployed responsibly. This ethical AI revolution is crucial for the insurance industry, as it will help determine liability in the event of an accident involving an AV, and ensure that insurance policies reflect the ethical considerations surrounding these technologies. The evolving legal landscape. As AVs become more prevalent, legal frameworks will need to adapt to address the unique challenges and potential liabilities associated with these technologies. This includes defining responsibility in accidents involving AVs, determining liability for system failures, and establishing clear regulatory guidelines. These legal changes will have a significant impact on insurance coverage and liability for AVs, as insurers will need to adjust their policies to reflect the evolving legal landscape. The collaborative approach. Collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and the public is vital for establishing ethical guidelines and regulations for the responsible development and deployment of AIvias. Open dialogue and shared understanding are essential for addressing the complex ethical, legal, and societal implications of this emerging technology. This collaborative approach is crucial for the insurance industry, as it allows for open discussion and the development of comprehensive insurance policies that reflect the needs and concerns of all stakeholders. The human-centered future. By embracing ethical considerations and prioritizing human values in the development of AIvias, we can create a future where these technologies enhance safety, accessibility, and quality of life for all. This involves ensuring that AIvias are designed to promote safety, inclusivity, and fairness, and that they are deployed in a way that benefits society as a whole. The insurance industry plays a crucial role in shaping this human-centered future by developing insurance policies that promote the responsible use of AIvias and ensure that the benefits of these technologies are accessible to all. The path forward isn't about choosing between innovation and ethics. It's about advancing both in harmony. We need to develop technical standards alongside ethical ones. Safety protocols must include both crash avoidance and ethical decision-making validation. The solution requires collaboration between technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. No single perspective can address all dimensions of this challenge. For tomorrow's security professionals, understanding AI ethics isn't optional. It's essential. You're not just securing systems. You're safeguarding the ethical frameworks that will make decisions affecting human lives. The ethical challenges of AI and autonomous vehicles represent more than technical puzzles. They're questions about the society we want to build. As we stand at this technological crossroads, we have an unprecedented opportunity to shape a transportation future that reflects our highest values, not just our most advanced capabilities. For security professionals, data scientists, and AI developers, this journey offers more than career opportunities. It offers a chance to help write the ethical code that will guide machines making life-changing decisions. Join us in navigating the complex intersection of artificial intelligence, ethics, and transportation. The road ahead is uncharted, and we need bright minds to help map it.